Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another informative and useful video. So guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to fix TikTok app is not working on your iPhone. So guys, when you open TikTok and it's going error, so in this video I'll show you how can you fix it. So let's start our video without wasting any time. So guys, first of all you have to just simply open settings and make sure that you have an active internet connection, and then tap on VPN and make sure that there's not connected any of the VPN. If there's a connected VPN, then you have to just simply disconnect the VPN and then tap on General and then tap on Software Update and update your device to the latest version of iOS. If you don't have updated version, then update the first and check if the problem is fixed or not. If you are having still this problem, then you have to just simply tap on date and time and make sure that your date and time is correct and set automatically is turned on, and then go back and then tap on language or region and make sure that your region is correct. And after that you have to just simply go back, scroll down and tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset, tap reset network setting, enter your iPhone passcode and reset your network setting for one time. So guys, after doing this, check if the problem is fixed or not. If you're having still this problem, then you have to just simply open the App Store and then tap on your search and search here for TikTok, and then you have to make sure that you are using the updated version of TikTok. If you don't have updated version, then update the first and check if the problem is fixed or not. If you are having still this problem, then open settings again, tap on General, tap on iPhone storage, scroll down, tap on TikTok and then tap on offload the app and again reinstall the app, and after that hopefully your problem will be fixed. So in this way you can easily fix your problem. So that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.